Daddy. Miss Jackson. Hello. Hey. Hello. Go get... Hi, guys. Hi, Teddy. Oh, whoa. Did you see her? She just ran into the couch.
Look at the crowd.
Huh? In the freezer.
May I have a fudge?
You make sure you put
It's cold.
Make sure you put like a paper towel over it.
Oh, that's sad.
Hi, baby. Watch out, babe. Oh my gosh. What are you doing? My goodness.